Welcome to Hertfordshire, the home of internationally acclaimed film and TV productions in the UK. From Harry Potter to The Crown. With a hub of leading film studios and more in the pipeline, Hertfordshire is fast becoming the UK's Hollywood. Get out of the studio and on location. There is a wealth of stunning spaces, including historic towns and rural villages, grand stately homes and Georgian ballrooms, iconic Art Deco and Brutalist architecture, rolling hills and open spaces, ancient woodlands and estates, the fast, the furious and the unexpected, just to name a few. Whatever the fantasy, turn it into reality in Hertfordshire. We know it's key to have your team nearby with all of the facilities to meet their needs. With a variety of film-friendly accommodation, from large chain hotels to exclusive luxury boutiques, Hertfordshire is on hand to welcome and support all of your cast and crew. From catering and equipment hire to animation services and set design, Hertfordshire's ever-growing local skills and supply chain can provide you with the behind-the-camera talent and support services for your production needs. Find out more about filming in Hertfordshire, the UK's answer to Hollywood. Hearts, camera, action.